Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a pink look for you because I put on this pink shirt and this is what happened. So if you want to see how I created it, please keep watching. Okay, so to start today's face look, of course I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base and Complexion Perfection. I'm going to use the Matte Perfection on my T-zone and the Complexion Perfection Hydrating Base on the outer part of my face. Pump with a hydrating. Alright, for foundation today, I'm going to be using Frankie Rose's Matte Perfection Foundation, and this is an Oatmeal blend. That fell right on my arm. That was wild. And we're just going to blend this in. Now to warm up my face, I'm going to be going in with Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, and this is in medium dark warm olive. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Face Sculpt and Shade Brush, and I'm going to take the thicker end and just start blending this out. So next for my concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer, but this is in the shade Light Medium Warm Olive. I'm just going to pop that under my eyes, down the bridge, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And I'm going to set this using my Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. And then going in with a bigger brush, this one's a flat MAC Cosmetics. This is the 326 SES brush. Next, to contour my face, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is the light to medium. And I'm going to go in with these last two brown shades. And going in with my Morphe S94 brush for this. Now I'm going to quickly do my brows. You guys have seen me do this, so I'm just going to do that off camera. Alright, so now that my brows are done, I'm just going to set it using that same powder. Well, I'm going to set my whole eyelid using that same powder that I used to set my face. Alright, now for this eye look, I'm going to be going in with some of ColourPop's single shadows. So they just sent me this in PR. And it's just a bunch of single shadows kind of like laid out in this rainbow palette. I'm going to start by going in with Centerfold. And I'm just going to pop that as my transition shade in my crease. And I'm going to use my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush for this. Next, I'm going to be picking up some Hard Place on my ColourPop E9 brush. And I'm going to place that right underneath Centerfold. Basically the exact same area, just not going up as far. Blending that out with Centerfold. And then the last color I'm going to use to deepen this up a little more is Brick Road. I'm just going to take this on my dense small crease brush. I'm not sure of the name. I know it's a Morphe brush, but I just don't know the number. And I'm placing that right below Hard Place. Now I'm going to go back in with my concealer that I use for under my eye, and I'm just going to cut my crease really lightly. Just going to place that just on my lid, and then using my BH Cosmetics 11 brush, I'm just going to I'm going to take that first color that we put as our transition shade, Centerfold, and I'm just going to set my eyelid using it. I'm just making sure that your V is blended out. Now with a small smudger brush, this is my Sigma E21 brush. I'm going to go in with Brick Road and just smudge it out on my lash line. Not all the way to the inner corner, but almost all the way. Then going in with a small pencil brush, this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39. I'm going to blend out Hard Place into Brick Road. Just basically right on top. And then using that Centerfold brush to just blend it all out. And now my eyes look super weird, so I'm going to go in with some liner. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Life Liner, and I'm going to go in with the liquid end. Just giving myself a little wing. Now before I go in with lashes, I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'm going to go in with my blush using Natasha Denona's Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of all of that. Then going in with my highlight, I'm going to be using Too Faced's Canary Diamond Highlight. It's like a pinkish gold. I'm also going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone with this shade. Cleaning off that Sigma E21 brush, I'm going to pick up a bit of this. For my brow bone, I'm just going to go on this with my finger. Now for lashes, I'm going to go in with my Blinking Beauté number 4 lashes. So that's what those look like. And then for mascara, going in with my Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. And just making sure there's no powder on my lashes. Lastly, for lips, I'm just gonna rub off this foundation. Put on some lip balm. And then lining my lips with Dervish by MAC. Always with my MAC liners. And then filling that in using Natasha Denona's I Need a Nude. This is in 21P SAVA. So I lied, this is a little bit too light, so I'm going to go over this using MAC's Love Me lipstick in As If I Care. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys do recreate this look, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. And hopefully, I'll see you guys in my next video.